Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've been on, but I'm back and I'm better. I'm feeling a little bit of Kris Jenner vibes right now. I mean, like, have you seen that picture where she's just chilling and drinking her little glass of wine? Well, honestly, this is the vibes that I'm giving. Very bougie, very bougie.
Very bougie. That's very bougie.
That's what I'm giving off right now. I'm gonna do a little. Now I'm feeling myself a little bit. But yes, this is the very dark smoky eye look that I'm giving you guys. And if you guys do want to keep watching, stay right there. So before I put on my foundation, I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It really smooths out your skin and it makes it even toned. So next I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the color Mocha 360. Honestly, do not sleep on drugstore products. I use this all the time. I know everyone likes to change up their foundations, so this is my go-to drugstore foundation. So I'm just going to apply some on my sponge brush and I'm going to put it evenly around on my face. So after I finish putting on my foundation, I move over to my concealer. These are the top concealers that I use. LA Girl Pro Concealer and the NYX HD Studio Photogenic. I use these, again, these are just drugstore that you can get in any drugstore, beauty. I like to use a decent amount of this because I'm going to blend it really good anyway. I'm just going to put it under my cheekbone. And I'm going to put it on my nose as well. So after I use the Beauty Blender, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup. This is one of my favorite setting powders, only because it really has like zero flashback. And at least for me, like, I've taken pictures and like literally you cannot see it under. So I love it and it works really well for me. While I'm baking, I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow. I know usually people don't do this. They usually do it the opposite way, where they do their eyeshadow first, but I do it differently sometimes. I like to switch it up, so I'm going to do this right now. Right now, I'm just going to start with my crease. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here as my crease. Now I'm going to move over to this color. I'm going to be using these three colors really right now. And I'm going to use this color right now just to darken it, And before you guys go anywhere, like, comment, and subscribe because it's only getting better. It's only getting better. What's up? Ew. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I know it's been a really... Today's look is a very smoky eye. Oh, very smoky eye. What does that mean? Hey guys, today's New Year's look. No, it's not New Year's. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Okay, no. What's up, y'all? This is Simone. Thank you again for tuning back with me. This is a new year, guys. Welcome to 2018. No. What I have here is a very bougie, dark smoky eye that I came up with, created. Ew, that's gross. That I What I have here is a very dark black. Okay, no. What I have here is a dark smoky eye that I created, and I'm doing this because I'm feeling bougie. So I think this is a perfect look. Honestly, the fur is a little unnecessary, but you know, I have to do what I have to do. So if you do want to keep watching, please keep watching. It's gonna be very, very, very great. Ew. Yeah, no, that's gross. Okay, so honestly, like, I'm really loving this look. Like, what? Like, I look like somebody's auntie just arrived to the function. Like seriously, like, honestly.
Don't sleep on pineapples, y'all.